ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ welcome back to your own YouTube channel Professor K Pushpinder Singh. Today we are going to discuss difference between growth and development. ਵਾਧੇ ਅਤੇ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੰਤਰ ਕੀ ਹੈ? So let's begin with the definitions of the both. Crow and Crow states growth refers to structural and physiological changes, whereas development is concerned with growth as well as changes in behavior. Now let's see what differences are there between the both. First, growth is a part of developmental process. In strict sense, development in its quantitative aspect is termed as growth, whereas development is a comprehensive and wider term and refers to overall changes in the individual. Growth is used as a narrow sense. It is referred to describe the changes in particular aspects of the body and behavior of the organism. Development is a broad term as it describes the changes in the organism as a whole. Growth does not continue throughout life. It stops when maturity has been attained. Development is a broader term and refers to overall changes in the individual. It continues throughout life and is progressive. Growth is something that occurs from within. It is inherent in the organism. Development is more comprehensive term related to all types of psychophysical system as intrinsic as well as extrinsic. Growth is a result of physical maturity or aging. Development is a result of physical maturity, learning and environmental conditions in organization. Growth is cellular. It takes place due to the multiplication of cells. Development is organizational. It organization of all the parts which growth and differentiation have produced. Development occurs due to both maturation and interaction with the environment. The changes produced by growth are subject of measurement. They may be quantified. Development implies improvement in functioning and behavior and hence bring quantitative changes which are difficult to be measured directly. They are assessed through keen observation of behavior in different situations. Growth may or not bring development. Development is possible without growth, which means you might have seen those people who have very small limbs or defected limbs, yet they can write with those defected or undeveloped or underdeveloped limbs. So that is an example of development is possible without growth. To conclude, we can say that growth and development are interdependent and intermingled terms. With this, I conclude my lecture. I hope you would learn the differences between growth and development from this lecture. and see you soon with another lecture on your own YouTube channel. Do remember to subscribe and press bell icon, like, share and comment on the video. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।